right, let's talk to AJ, an English major from North Berwick, Maine, who plans to add a dual major in sustainability, something you can do in any academic program at UNH. AJ is just starting his UNH journey. Let's hear why he chose UNH and how he's getting plugged in right away with sustainability leadership. Hit it, AJ.
Thanks, Alex. Before I decided on the University of New Hampshire, I was looking for a school that felt right for me. In my senior year, I was the president of my National Honor Society chapter, which helped me find what I love about leadership. What made me choose UNH was their commitment to sustainability and the Changemaker Fellowship opportunity. Incoming freshmen have the opportunity to apply for the Changemaker Fellowship, first-year students who are passionate about sustainability and want to take action. Being a changemaker was exactly what I was looking for to fit in. Being surrounded by like-minded people who are all going through the same transition as me. Beyond my other fellows, I was matched with my Changemaker coach, a student peer mentor who's there to help guide my small group into the sustainability opportunities that UNH provides. They're also a supportive figure for any questions I might have as I adjust to living on campus. It was a little hard at first. Back home, I had my family, my friends, and the leadership I had in high school. But as soon as I arrived on campus, I found a community with my dorm mates and my RAs, while also discovering how important sustainability is at UNH. Whether it's capturing methane gas from a local landfill and converting it into the electricity that powers our Durham campus, or the Take Less, Waste Less initiative found in the dining halls, it's clear to see how much UNH cares about helping our environment and giving all students the opportunity to get involved. While my journey as a Wildcat has only just begun, I can already see how committed UNH is to sustainability. The future is bright, and thanks to UNH, it will be able to stay that way for generations to come. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, AJ. From energy to agriculture to waste reduction, UNH really is a living laboratory for sustainability. With passionate students like AJ leading the way, planet Earth will be in very good hands. Thanks again, AJ.